Havasu, ladies and gentlemen. And Dwayne is trying, and I stress the word trying, to learn how to ride a jet ski. And here we go.
Here, I'll drive the boat next to him.
I apologize for the rockiness, but it is a 16-foot boat, folks. So.
Look, the ski's riding without him.
He's got to learn how to punch it.
More throttle!
There you go. He's getting it.
Some of that unsightly wet track.
Oh, down he goes again.
No, that's not tiring. What am I doing wrong? Try to get up on your knees and then give it some throttle. Keep turning one way every time I do that. Turn it back.
Look at that. She can do it and Dewey can't. Thank God I found somebody that's worse than me.
I remember teaching you.
Yeah.
He's getting away from us. Oh.
No, he's not. Oh. Folks, this is the SS Minnow. And this is Keith Jacket, my infamous cousin. Do! We'd like to get back by today. He's scared of it still.
I'd feel better if this cloud passed over us.
I know.
Got out of here.
Oops! Alright, that's enough of the camera. We don't want to
waste too much film.
There he goes, folks. He's going to get up on his knees and he's going to stay for at least 5 seconds. If we can see it. What happened to that?
Now, see how he jumped up that time?
Yeah.
I think he did a little better on that way, but...
Yeah. There he goes. Yeah! Look at the mast!